So guys, in today's Django video here you can see it like previously we started one new series about the Django, and in today's Django video there is one more new Django video, and in today's Django video I am telling you about how to add a master template in the Django. So yeah, I am telling you about that. So see this video start to and please hit the like button, share friends and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And in today's video, I will clear your whole concept about how to add a master template. So get ready for that in Django. So get ready for that. So now I did not take a long time. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling you about how to add a master template. If you don't know how to add it, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So let's get started and let's see how to add a master template. The extends tag. In the previous page, we created two templates, one for listing all members and one for details about a member. The templates have a set of HTML code that are same for both templates. The Django provides a way of making a parent template that you can include in all pages to do the stuff that is the same in all pages. Start by creating a template called master.html with all necessary HTML elements. Master. Like in this example, this is one example of the master.html. What you can do, you copy this code and go here where you can go Google and then you go here Replit. When you go onto the Replit, you open your Replit, and when you open your Replit, you can remove your PHP file and then you can go onto REPL and then you open it like that. And now here in the all members.py file, here you can paste this code like that. So it's in the opening like that. So now like that, it's taking us a little bit loading, but when it will be open, you paste this code. Now what you can do you see the Django block tag inside the title element and the body element? This tag, I'm talking about this tag. Okay, what did this tag do? They are placeholder. It telling Django to replace this block with content from other resources. Modify templates. Now the two templates, all members.html and details.html, can use this master.html template. This is done by including the master template with the extends tag and inserting a title block and the content block. In the example, we are write this code in the all members.py file when we copy it and when we paste it. We paste this code here. Okay, and we paste this code here. So now details, like this one now in the details.py file, in the details.html file, you can paste this code in that file. Okay, then if you have followed all the steps on your current computer, you can see the result in your browser. If the server is down, you have started again and run server command. If the server is down, it is giving you the error. So what you can do, you write here in the shell py manage.py run server. So then it will give you, when you run it from here, so here you can see it. It is giving you the hello world. Here you can see it. Why it is giving you the hello world? Why? Let me tell you. Where is the code? Where? Here you can see it is giving you the hello world, but when I go here, when I go down. Okay, so here you can see it is giving me the hello world. So like that you can do it very easily, yes. And when I run it again, so it will give you the hello world. Here you can see it. So in the details.py file, what you can do, you write this type of code. Okay, then I hope it will be not give you the error. And if the server is down, you have started again and run the server command. What type of run the server command? If you are using the Visual Studio Code, you write here py in here, not in the Visual Studio Code terminal. You write like py manage.py run server. Then it will be run it. It's giving me the error because I do not create any virtual environment, so that's why. Okay, but I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, I just told you about how to add a master template, and we wrote here code also, and we updated our HTML files. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future latest video. So but for today, goodbye.